Hello guys, second video. Today just want to share with you my personal view also on EURGBP, which I already mentioned today on a weekly, my weekly overview, but just want to deep just because there is something quite interesting that I want to share with you guys. And so let's do this multi-time frame analysis on EURGBP. And basically what we can see after a very huge bearish momentum, this big impulse, price tends to uh, go slower. Okay. So as you can see, the inclination. Okay, so what does it mean? It means that from here, buyers came into the market and tried to fight the sellers. Okay, like in every market as usual. But as you can see, from here for the first time, we have a lot of structure that being broken here. Okay, and also here as well, and this one. Okay, so if you see, with all this movements tends to try to break the higher highs, but it was not able to do that. And now, to be honest, it's happening the same. Okay, so as you can see, this is a structure, the price that the buyers broke. Okay, and this as well. But why in this situation could be different than this one or this one? For a simple reason, because let me remove drawings. We are now inside the demand zone, very important demand zone. Okay, in which this was the we were here on 24th of February 2020, so during the discovering of a global pandemic. Okay, so you know what's happened, but I suppose that here there are a lot of volumes that must be mitigated yet, and the reason why we have to consider this zone. And I personally expect a huge pump. Okay, so let's move on a 4-hour time frame, and what we can see is uh, something that I really like, guys, because this is a classical Wyckoff schematic. Okay, that, to be honest, I really like, because it give me so much more confidence. Okay, to open a trade. So, for example, as I told you, this is the first structure that have been broken. This is the second one. Okay, and following the Wyckoff definitions, we can say that this is an uptrust action. Okay, this is an automatic reaction from this preliminary support. Okay, also, and we have two tests. The first test, and the second one. Okay, second test. This is a usual spring, so an institutional movement in which, not call please stop loss hunting. Okay, but this is just a liquidity zone. that the institutionals want to grab, okay, and to clean, to go up, okay. So what we can do now, to be honest, if this is the creek, okay, because we are this the primary support, the automatic reaction here, but above all, this is very important because this is an upthrust. So I suppose that this is the range that needs to be broken and retested, okay. And to be honest, half a size already open here, okay, with stop loss probably just here. So I already hit one loss here, but this was very good schematic. I mean, this is a classical jump the creek, and you can go low. So now I will expect the price here, okay, inside this demand, and this is an order block as well, okay. And to be honest, I'm pretty much sure the price will react to this liquidity zone, okay. So all these lows can be reflected here, okay. So now I can set a limit order, a buy limit order here, and to be honest, the risk reward will be very, very high. So here we are talking about very long term perspective. Here more or less, so we have 13, okay. Well, I don't know, is 13 because I just want to set the stop loss, which is just below the spring, okay. So it's a 9 risk reward ratio, okay, which is pretty much good, okay. If you don't want to use a buy limit order, you can wait for evidence, but in a very low time frame. So for example, a 50 minutes time frame, okay. You can do it right by now, but to be honest, I would prefer for the price to reach, okay, the bottom of the liquidity zone here, okay. But anyway, as price reach the zone, I will wait for a pattern like this, okay. So two higher highs, retest, okay, and I will open my TP, my order here. Where the retest, well, you can use the same criteria. I mean, you can use the 75 of the range made on the 15 minutes time frame, okay. Or you can use also a volume profile, okay, to see the value area and see where the most part of orders can be filled, okay. And yeah, that's pretty much it, okay. So guys, I hope you like this video. Let me know what do you think about, and join my Discord group, in which I will share all my trading know-how, my trading ideas, all for free. I don't care about uh, uh, earning from social. I'm not a content manager, but I'm just a trader. So, but I care to increase it, to grow my community. Okay. So thank you very much, guys. See you in the next video.